Hey everyone, it's Jessica, and today I'm going to share with you guys a quick demo of the new modern floor lamp that I got for my living room. It's really cool and I'm loving it so far, so I thought I would share it with you guys. It's the Govee Lyra LED floor lamp. I will link it down below in case you're interested. If you're looking for a unique gift idea, this lamp is definitely worth checking out. So I already unboxed it, and here is everything that it came with. It was very easy to set up and put together. It only took about 10 minutes. And here's what it looks like all put together. I have it here beside my TV entertainment center. It's really lightweight and it's only 57 inches tall. It also comes with a magnetic remote, and you can pretty much put it anywhere you want on the lamp base, and I have mine here down at the bottom. I really love the sleek minimal design of the lamp. I had been wanting a lamp over here, but I didn't want anything really bulky. I love how this blends in with my furniture and my decor, and you don't even notice it until the light is actually turned on. Now I'm going to turn it on with the remote and show you all of the cool features. The default light setting is a medium warm light, but you can adjust it using either the warm or the cool button to get the color that you like. You can also adjust the brightness using the dim plus button or the dim minus button. If you love color, you can also cycle through some color presets by pressing the color button in the middle. If you use the Govee app, which I will show you here shortly, you can pretty much pick any color on the color wheel that you want. The app can turn your lamp on and off, just like the remote. You can also set timers, which I really like. And you can also design your own lighting color patterns by selecting the different light segments in the app and selecting the colors that you want. And here's the color wheel that I was talking about earlier. You can basically press anywhere on the color app and you will get the color that you select. You can also pair the lamp with Alexa.
Here's a station you might like, Nectar Radio on Amazon Music.
Right now, the lamp is flashing to the beat of the dance music playing on my Alexa speaker. I pressed the music button on the remote, and if you continue to press it down, you will get different light beat patterns. And you can also do this using the app as well. And here are the different beat patterns during the day. I do have this video sped up twice as fast just so I can get through all of the different settings. You can pretty much use the music setting with any type of device, whether it's your Amazon Alexa, a radio, a CD player, and it will also flash to speaking voices and if you're just watching a TV show or a movie. And here's a quick clip of all of those same music settings at night. I'm really excited to use this for the next party or get together I have here at my house. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to use. And when I'm not using it in party mode, it's just a plain simple white light that adds a little bit of lighting to my living room. Like I mentioned, I will have this linked down below. You can get it on Amazon. It makes a really unique gift, and I'm thinking of getting another one for my 14-year-old daughter. I think she would like it in her bedroom too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.